means that the closer object is shorter than the further away. So if you're asking how much of the object behind it is hiding, yes, the closer object is always hiding more of the object behind than its height, right? 1 meter high object will hide 2 meters of the object behind at twice the distance, right?
Not if you're above it on a flat surface.
So wait, that's the distinction I'm trying to point out. One distinction is angular height, right? The vertical angular size and how many meters that translates to. That's correct. However, objects which are in your line of sight are always in your line of sight. So
this object here, if you're above it, it can never ever obscure anything greater than its height if you're above it. No matter how far or how close it is or how far away it is, it can never ever obscure more than the height of the object if you're above it. That's why I was very keen on asking.
Now do this same diagram more acute. So this camera high, put it. Let me find this part.
Right, we just seen that lighthouse. About a third of it just disappeared. Did you see that wave that just hit that lighthouse? You just had it, Jose. There was a lighthouse, or I don't know, a thing sticking up. See there. See, watch the wave come in front of it in a sec.
I'm maximizing. Hold on.
Yeah, before.
You just take a little second.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Looks.
I'm gonna go back and forth, left and right, a few times.
Yeah.
So just hang in there. Just tell me. I'm still setting up.
Okay.
So you tell me this boat is not missing more than whatever this is, 5 foot?
No, it is missing more because the Earth is curved.
But this boat is not, dude, this boat is not far enough. This boat might be maybe 2 miles away, bro. And I'm higher than that. I'm like 15 foot high, bro. I'm a lot higher than the wave, and it's not 5 foot missing. It's a lot more, and it's gonna get better.
Well, because
it's gonna block.
Well,
the
the drop
whole
of
thing
2 miles.
Well, make more excuses. Go on.
No, this is not more than 2 or 3 miles, and I'm a lot higher than 6 foot over the water, Trumpus. So the horizon, that boat is not behind the horizon, and this wave is, I say, 5 foot. Exaggerating, it might be 3 foot. It's gonna block a lot. I mean, it's gonna kind of a second wave, and then on another boat, it's gonna be blocked a lot. So that's what I'm saying. Like visually, on orthographic view, you got a point, Rumpus. But when you look in through a first-person point of view, I give this to Ranty, for example. He's got. I mean, it's here visual. Look at this boat. How much is gonna be hidden by this wave in a minute?
Well, so you're saying exactly what we're saying, which is on a curved surface, it would do that because the line to the boat is underneath your line of sight.
Yeah, but this is on a flat surface, and it's just got a tidal influx.
It's not a flat surface, it's on the sea.
That boat is not far enough to be behind the curve. This boat is not behind the curve because I'm a lot higher than the horizon should dictate for this boat to be behind it. If you know what I mean.
Right, you think that's only...
Oh, it froze. I hope I didn't lose.
You think that's 2 miles away?
Yeah, Jose films it a lot, so he kind of knows his location.
Right, that's gone. That building's gone, isn't it? And that building's must have at least one story on it. Yeah. I don't know how big those waves are, but they don't look huge.
No, they're not huge. They're I say exaggerated 5 foot, but they're like 3 or 4 feet. You know.
Yeah, they seem to be obscuring quite a bit. And as I say, there was a lighthouse there that seemed to vanish.
And it's the first time that I caught this one. It's kind of a tidal board thing. I heard somebody told me it happens once a day, but I'm not right.
I need to go and film some stuff over some water, I think, to see these effects because it worries me. It does. I know the geography. You know, I've seen the orthographic view. I really want to see some waves and whether they do obscure more.
It's interesting, Toddy, right? I mean, you see the
it really
footage.
does look like it does obscure more. I know exactly. It really worries me.